Hey y'all. Good morning. اليوم لكم. Good night. إذا عدي أمريكا مالتي. How could you? By the way, I'm going home sleeping hungry. Like part of a diet. One person, so ashamed. Anyway, I try to order me like Pizza Hut delivery. كذا خير الله. شو أوريك تسألموا إيه? Yeah, you'll see the new Omar in the morning. هو كتكون خلاها تصل لنا قصة حق تليفون قطع. Like you just popped in 2 or 3 and most of you guys نفيكم إنهم مثلني. هاني قال تبين لهم thank you. هاي كونجو قال thanks I respect that. Yeah, I'm too hungry. I don't know what to eat. توقع مينو توقع حمينو زبهنا تقرأ شو روح قبري نجرا فريش الله. شو ما لني اسم سالة في بند الله سالة ما زرنا لني. مركبينو. Oh my god. I remember عند وقتني اللايف مسمر كم نعلنا كنا at the same time نا يوتيوب نا فيسبوك لايف ريكورد قبل أصلا نبغى كنت نا فيسبوك نمسي سوا معكم من قنا بيوتيوب شير قبل إيش لذي أبي يوتيوب أسمر أشكر بالفيديو ناتي I understand that he actually tried to make me famous and stuff and not but like he doesn't have any my consent ناتي authorization دي بلو فيديو كفيسبوك نداسرات على فيسبوك يتولى كلاتكم تفضلوا لكم معلش ثانك يو عمر كجنتني كالاتن سمرة تقرأ تبها لخاهم وحاصل لهم واي 5 نسب صراحة تسرقوا ويمش حق إني هنا كان كنت بهالطريقة سفت حدا سبت الحدا دليت سبت حدا دليت دي واه بعدهم فطورة دليتكم شيء خمسة دليتكم قلت واي هم نام ناسي مش هيك فطورة نام تلقوا ناسي يسرق لكم please حما يتزارب من مهناته I already oh this is my bunk leaf hello is Didi asleep oh this bitch hey bitch I'm a part of this family what the fuck's in there that's Will hey Will that's alright I gotta go morning can I have a shot
What's that?
can I have shots
Oh no, we're about to walk out.
well you guys listening to music and having cuddling in there
No, we're just about to turn it off.
seriously
Yeah.
what is she doing right there okay
No, she's throwing away the rubbish.
I don't think so. I think she's scooping. But it's okay. Bye. Good night. Fuck. Okay, well. He knew. Oh, okay. Video. I thought, well. زي عبارة كاريه. باروي كريستوران نحبشة. To go check out. ما بتقولنا. شو قري حبرق إيري. كذا أرجز الحسعيد اللي مسيلز. أبي بشة كسر مسيله. جزا خير على خدكس أمركم إيه كلهم تبع سند أصور إني بقول له السلام بقول له قلمله I feel shocked I'm like oh my god what video did I say I think سكر حكي الزرب بعد ما شايل والله I think عند فيديو حق تزاري مثلني بزعل how sorry I am to everyone that I actually hurt their feeling at the same time كي تنقفني تنقف ومن مش لك صورت ودي حاجة له نيدا وشلون اسمع ندرو موسيقى مرز اللوزي مخارين قوي لا يدر مسحق كمان إرجس إني حبيبي من دير له أنت دخل لي عجزات إمي خلاه بيزا خات عادي ويدنس نكير كا وبرسل تقول لي ساي دنس كيري دنس أبي له دكلوزس يستوكلنا كيني إمر مساعد حالي من عز مسلني لم يقول ذا الشيء Hey Siri Hey Siri, what's the a restaurant open right now near me?
I don't see any matching restaurants.
What about Denny's restaurants?
Okay, check it out.
Okay, 1776 Powell Street, 2.6 miles. Let me see if they're still open. Every day 12 a.m., 12 a.m. Wow, fuck that. What? 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. That means it's day open. Oh, that's close to me. How do I get there though? I have to go in the buzz money. Call me my Uber. But I don't want to go dentist. Dentist is fucking disgusting. Dentist of the week all عصب مبلع مالتي معي. Anyway, we. Yeah, because the gage, the gage مش صورة تقول قال أنا خلنا شعنا مخحبة أقول لك I just have to express it. حال زي خسك كله طلعان قاعد حق تسمع خمس حق مالتي. شمعتهم صغيرين يعني خسك كله هذا حق البحر زارف. I think I've been through a lot. Actually, I haven't even explaining truly in how I wanted to, but maybe you probably hear it in my next background history filming tip, which is gonna be soon online. I don't know if the reality show, the internet show, the phone, ولا نعمل have the phone. Well, as a matter of people, I tell like people will tell after my life. You know, like we all go through a lot. So I just said it straight, like as I'm think it was. Maybe most of you guys had. Oh my god. Going home, by the way. I'm happy to see you guys too. I wanted to be so polite because I'm not the same age as you guys know too. When I started uploading the video on YouTube, back in the day 2010, I pretend to be someone who's hiding, who's feeling, which is my feeling. Well, thank you. I'm saying sorry, Omer. I'm proud of you. You are so brave. Ferras Abdul. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I mean, there is a time and a place for everything where you want to be. What from my belief. You can be high enough, you can be low enough, but no matter where you go, what you do, still be you. And that's what I believe. And that's who I am. I look old. I'm not that funny anymore. I don't know where that come from, but like it just took me so. Whew, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go home and cook, wash my dishes. نحذف كله مسحهم نحذركوا. Maybe نشر عجام خجبر الشرة تجامينه. Like كم زي since I don't have computer I بالله شو قلت لنا نقول بالله نمشينها like they do like شو عطعين تصرفات الشرام. I'm not gonna say my number in my public. No, don't say that to me. No, you're gonna make me cry. Fair enough, because you're gonna make me cry. You become too sweet, dear. Well, there is sweetness sometimes, and there is sorry. Don't know how to end this video. It's taking a while. What do you think of me anyway? Yeah, I'm human like you. بلع ست شيء كم كل سماتي وجيجار قبر دت عصب مالتي I love you too. I saw your message. I don't think I'm gonna continue because I'm kind of emotional right now. I'll see you guys tomorrow with my next video. Okay, bye. Have a good night. And have a good day for you guys. I don't get to Ciao.